Hello, people of PopMax. I am happy to share this information with you guys. Fresh deposit of 3.1k by our team members. I just want to let you know that PopMax is still working perfectly okay. For those of you that are contacting me privately saying that, right, is PopMax still operating? Yes, it is still operating. Okay, there is nothing wrong with PopMax. You can deposit and you can withdraw easily, right? And remember that the highest paying contract in PopMax is the one of 360 days smart contract where we earn 1% on a daily basis. So that being said, I just want to share this with you. So what I have done is to blank out the addresses of the team members that made this deposit, and very quickly you will see from here that 3 of our members just did a deposit as I speak with you right now. Okay, so people are still joining PopMax on a daily basis. There is a zero team building from these members, as you can see, but they are going to continue to earn 1% daily, which to me it is very reasonable for a platform to be giving you 1% daily for staking and earning PUSD, which you will eventually convert to PPT. And PPT is the cryptocurrency that has been listed in 4 different exchanges. If you have been following my video right now, you notice there is no team building at all in these 3 fresh deposit, and they are going to be earning this 1% daily for the next 360 days. And the good thing about PopMax is you will get your deposit back when you complete your 360 days contract, which is great because it's not every platform that will be able to give you your capital back at the end of each contract. Some platforms that will just allow you to only take your profit and you won't be able to take your capital. But in PopMax, they are giving you that opportunity to take back your profit and take back your capital, right? So it's a win-win game for those of you that are interested in joining PopMax with me. I have done a video showing how to get started, okay? Showing you how to start, how to register in PopMax, and then just get you on board. And then the platform is automated, so you really do not have to do anything after you have joined this platform. You don't have to come back and click any button every day. You don't have to come back and say you want to do anything because the platform is automated. Once you stake and choose your days that you want to stake, for example, if you choose 360 days here, you will earn 1% on a daily basis. This is what I have been telling you. This is the highest you can earn, okay, in PopMax. So the platform is working perfectly okay. It's just for you to join and begin to make this money. The more you procrastinate, the more you lose out on earning 1% on a daily basis. So guys, the link to join is below this video description. If you would like to join my team in PopMax, just follow the instructions I have written step by step. I have also done a video showing you exactly what you need to do to get started. So I will see you in my team. Let us keep progressing. Let us keep earning passively in PopMax, and let us work together and make more money, because PopMax is a win-win platform. So why not join PopMax and make money from it? Thank you, and I see you in my next PopMax video.